Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your code with GitLab, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer your code with GitLab, start by accessing your GitLab account. Navigate to the project repository you wish to transfer. Click on Settings in the left sidebar. Select General from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Advanced section. Locate the Transfer Project option. You must enter the namespace to which you wish to transfer the project. Ensure you have the necessary permissions in the destination namespace. Type the new namespace accurately into the provided field. Once confirmed, click on Transfer Project to initiate the transfer. A prompt will appear to confirm your decision. Review the information carefully. If everything looks correct, confirm the action. The project will begin transferring to the new namespace. Monitor the transfer process to ensure it completes successfully. After the transfer is complete, navigate to the new location of your project. Verify that all files and configurations are intact. Check for any broken links or references due to the transfer. If you encounter issues, consult the GitLab documentation for troubleshooting. Congratulations, your project is now successfully transferred. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.